If you want to learn how to do the middle splits, then the missing link for you is most likely going to be glute strength in the end ranges. End range strength is by far the most overlooked aspect of developing the middle splits, and I'm going to teach you how to get started on it.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Our UMS Wednesday workouts, we do straight arm strength or athletic strength. Everybody gets to choose, but everybody does middle splits training. And one of the biggest things that most people don't understand about middle splits training is the importance of end range strength in the glutes. It's not just about being flexible or creating range of motion in the adductors, it's also about creating active range or end range strength with the glutes. And the best way to get started is with the pissing dog overcoming isometric. That is probably the funniest or stupidest name for an exercise you've ever heard. I know, I didn't come up with it. One of my flexibility coaches taught me, but it really works. We're going to be working on an isometric contraction here at the end range of the glutes, and you're going to see very quickly why it's called the pissing dog overcoming isometric. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because the 3 coaching cues that we teach are really important to master to make sure that you do this movement the right way. And make no mistake, if you master this and you do it properly once a week for 3 sets, your middle splits are going to go through the roof. You are going to see a massive breakthrough in 30 days.
Pissing dog overcoming isometric. We use these in the UMS to build end range strength in the glutes and prepare the body for more challenging progressions of the middle splits that are coming in the next phases. All exercise programs should gradually get more challenging as your ability improves. This is essential for strength, flexibility, and fitness improvements. So we always start with progressions of movements that are easier for you to learn how to engage the right muscles. An essential part of flexibility training is to develop strength in the end range of motion. For the middle splits, this means strong glutes in the end ranges. For the setup, start on your hands and knees. Keep your body completely still as you drive your knee hard into the wall. Ensure your foot is lower than your knee on the wall, and try to externally rotate your hip as you drive the knee into the wall hard. Externally rotating the hip is like bringing your foot inward as you drive the knee outward. Hold the rep for 10 seconds, then relax and repeat 3 times. 3 reps of 10-second hold in total. We recommend using a metronome app on your phone to ensure you are honest with your 10-second holds. The 3 coaching cues to think of whilst performing the movement are: keep elbows straight, keep hips level, raise the knee whilst externally rotating the hip.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.